How to remove other users and shared space in storage on iPhone. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you what you can do to manage this storage and free up some space. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General, then select iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down through the storage list and look for Other Users or Shared Space. If you see other users, this usually means there are files or data belonging to other user accounts on the device. On an iPhone, you normally can't directly delete this category like you can delete an app. Instead, check the apps and data using the most storage. Tap on an app you no longer need and choose Delete App to remove its data and free up space. You can also check your photos, messages, and other large apps for unnecessary files and delete anything you no longer need. If other users or shared space still takes up a large amount of storage after you've cleaned up your device, restart your iPhone and check the storage again. The storage calculation can sometimes take some time to update. And that's it. Now you know how to manage other users and shared space storage on your iPhone running iOS 16 or later. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more iPhone tips and tutorials.